AML Accelerate comes with a suggested action plan where users are provided with guidance on how to implement and improve their anti-money laundering program. The action plan first appears as the last step in the review process and has a number of sections. The first section is Unknown Risk Areas, which summarizes any risk factors that were assessed as unknown during the review, which indicates that either the data was unavailable or not assessed. Either way results in a negative impact to the overall risk assessment, and this section contains a list of further actions that could be taken to develop a deeper understanding of these areas within the assessment. The second section is Additional Controls to Consider, which summarizes all mitigating controls that were not selected, since these, once implemented and operating effectively, have the effect of reducing the residual risk score, as positive steps have been taken to mitigate and manage the identified money laundering and terrorism financing risk. So this section provides a list of recommended controls that the organization could implement to improve the management of its AML CFT risk exposure. The third section is Control Effectiveness, which summarizes all risk categories where a control has either not been tested or where it has, it was assessed as being a poor or ineffective control, and consequently will impact the residual risk score, and it's recommended to test and improve those controls that are listed. The fourth section is Action Issue Summary, which summarizes any actions or issues that have been entered against each of the risk categories, which should be completed as part of the continuous review and improvement cycle of the risk management process. The final section in the action plan is for Practical and Actionable Steps, which provides a list of recommended actions that can be taken to implement and embed effective risk-based systems, procedures, and controls into the AML CFT program.